True story. I just got hit by a truck. I just got hit by a truck. Friday the 13th, just my luck. No blinker, no warning, no brain in his head. My sorry ass almost got dead. I just got hit by a truck. Like a deer in the headlights, an unfortunate buck. A hit and run, there ain't no fun when the truck's much bigger than you. I just got hit by a truck. I'm inbred a redneck, what the fuck? No witness, commotion, felt like slow motion. I tasted bumper and grill. I just got hit by a truck. By some Hank Hill look-alike baseball cap wearing beer belly, old Republican fuck. I just got hit by a truck. Walked away, barely a cut. No apology. What kind of psychology is that? I don't know, but it sounds like bullshit to me. Yeah. I just got hit by a truck. I just got hit by a truck. I just got hit by a truck. How about you? How you doing? I just got hit by a truck. Other than that, I'm okay. If you don't try and don't mind me, I'll just hobble along, I just got hit by a truck. That's all I know.